Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 54 Bedroom Renovation Tips, your go-to guide for transforming your bedroom into a stunning, comfortable, and personalized retreat. A bedroom is more than just a place to sleep, it's your personal sanctuary where style meets comfort. In this video, you'll discover smart renovation tips that can make your dream bedroom a reality, no matter your budget or space. Want to maximize space? Learn clever tricks like incorporating built-in storage, choosing multifunctional furniture, and using lighter color palettes to make even the smallest rooms feel airy and open. Thinking of adding a touch of luxury? Find inspiration in designs that feature statement headboards, layered lighting, and plush bedding to create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. Renovating your bedroom isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about creating a space that promotes rest and rejuvenation. From layouts that optimize natural light to tips on minimizing clutter for a calming atmosphere, these ideas are designed to enhance your daily life. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a warm rustic charm, you'll find plenty of designs to spark your creativity. Every tip shared here is curated to help you bring out the best in your bedroom, blending beauty, functionality, and your unique style. Thank you for watching Thena's channel. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more inspiring content, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Let's create a bedroom you'll love coming home to. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.